do 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 da 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 ba 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 ba. Do 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 do. Checking out some new music. Let's see. There we go. I like that music much better. Sound should be much better tonight as well. Okay. Take the time to mark this up. I'll wait and see what it does here at the VWAP. But we could actually get start getting a pullback. We're sitting basically in like a level 3 market structure. So you have, this would be your W, right? This is your W. Level 1. Really, actually, this could be level 2 because this kind of bleeds together. So this actually might be level 2. So this could actually be a retrace to continue higher. But we barely came above. We'll wait and see if they hold the VWAP. Curious to see if we can come down and retest the VWAP. Okay, so yesterday, we're sitting right at yesterday's high. This is what I'm looking for. Let's see if this actually continues down. But really, I don't know. I think I'd rather just continue the price upwards. Yeah, I don't know. I can't take this as a short. I'm having a very hard time taking this as a short, actually. But nasty wick down there. Come on, this one. On the 5-minute. Watching and waiting. I'm better at longs than I am shorts. I prefer longs over shorts. So, I'm sure that has something to do with it. Now the question is it going to... No, it didn't work. It doesn't work. Dang it, I was hoping that this would actually work to let me... I won't have to do it by hand. Yeah, it doesn't do it. I wonder how somebody was showing on Instagram how they do it. It's not working. I even turned it on. It was supposed to like project the stuff and it's not projecting, but that's okay. And we're taking too long here at the VWAP. It's just not moving. Yeah, this will probably go short. There it goes. Son of a biscuit. Yep, retrace to the 200. Let's see if it comes right back down or not. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. See if we can target daily open. No, or it just wants to hold. Yesterday's high. Just working the VWAP. The 15-second and the 1 minute? I don't think so. No, I could actually do, I could do the 5, the 1, I mean the 15-second, sorry. I don't like how much time this is taking here at the VWAP. I don't like this gap right here. I'll come back up and fill this and probably go for my stop. See if the 1 minute turns into a vector or not. Now we're working back into this wick. I don't know if I really want to stay in this trade or not. But it's Asia. I'll try 4 panels. Hang on. I don't think I like 4. Well, this one. What do you think about that? Is that just too much on one screen? No, you think I should leave it like that? So they came back up and they like filled this gap that we had going on here. I don't want them to come back up again. So I am going stop break even. Oh, there it goes. I have a new hourly candle incoming. Yeah, it seems like price is holding pretty good. We have this as an imbalance to come back to, possibly. Waiting to see if they continue to reject a VWAP. Yeah, see here it would have taken me out at a loss, so I'm fine taking a break even. Oh yeah. There it took back that imbalance. It'll probably continue. Maybe not. There's your 1 hour. That looks like a stop hunt. Yeah, I'm switching. I've got a 15-second time frame up on the other monitor that I'm mainly looking at here. Like I might just scratch this trade. Try to see if it's got any real legs under it. There's wick for wick on the 15-second. See, we've got another set of... Oh, just kidding. It's on this one. See, we've got imbalances basically up here and down here. It just has to decide which way it's going to go. It's looking like it wants up. Kind of like what it did here. Just kept trickling up. We still have 2 hours left, basically, of this 4-hour candle. Yeah, I'm thinking if they fill here, this could actually be... We'll see. Let's see if they decide to sell off at all or not. I might have just gotten in a little bit too early. Yeah, it held on to the VWAP here. Starting to think that they might have chose their direction, but all they're doing is filling these imbalances. These ones that they had left. Yeah, I think we'll just cut it. Try to look back here on the 15-second. We're definitely getting more. See, there was some gaps. Just waiting. And that's basically where I don't want them to go. Where is... There we go. Yep. That's exactly what you don't want to do. See how fast they come back and retest that 74. Did we get the 74? 74, almost. I need my book map. Bum, bum, bum. There's a 74. This music is driving me nuts. Nope. Guess what? Looks like we're doing no music because it won't let me. It's going to keep recording. That's okay. Just curious what this would look like. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, damn it. I was trying to put my... It has got some legs under it. Trying to see if there's actually any orders in here. Yeah, notice the behavior. What did we do last time? Yeah, I killed the music. It's driving me nuts. Sorry. No, we have no vector on the 5. See? I was trying to short it because I had a short bias. You can't have a bias here. Having a blonde moment, I was like looking, trying to find my other screen, and it's like right in front of my face. Is it just me or does this look like the three marching men? You know what I'm talking about? They talk about one like as they ride and then they usually fall over, but usually they talk about that on like higher time frames. Hey, Randy. Yeah, if they tag me out, they can tag me out. I don't like all this incoming. There, now it can drop. Right there's 26,000 even. There we go, slightly rebroke the highs. Damn it, while I'm changing. There you go. Oh, are we gonna pop off? Speeding up a bit. Yep, here we go. Here we're getting the squeeze. We're going to see if we're going to come down and test the 50 on the 15-second. It's going to take me out. Yeah, it's just dancing around my order. Yep, and notice we haven't worked back into this wick yet. I mean, into this candle yet. There we go. Fast move is the false move. I kind of wanted waiting to see if they can break the 970s. This 200 EMA, I'm looking for this to get broke. 970. Red vector on the 1. $15 trying to find some feet here though, or some ground. Notice no vectors here in this 15-second though. In here. So I would still anticipate it to come down. They've almost fully reclaimed the 1-minute red vector. But I want to see them break this. Nope, they're already starting to move up the ladder again. Let's see, they're not actually coming down here to the 50. We have no wick upside either. Top side on this 5-minute candle. $15-minute flipped, but there's only 2 minutes left. This is not where I would typically want my stop to be. Just because these like to get eaten. Look, I talk about the inside of these candles, right? I'll show you why I don't like to be here. See all these zeros? This is what's inside of a vector candle. Zeros. These all need to be filled. Still have not messed with the 970s. See if we can run it. Trying to get a little bit more room here for those of you that actually do want to watch the footprint here with me. These zeros. Okay, now we're at the 970s. I said I wanted to test that. I want to give it back everything on a monster candle. Green vector on the 15-second. Zeros getting filled. Yeah, it's look at that. It's okay. That was awfully close to take me out, guys. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop up a little bit. We're basically back at my entry earlier, so I'd be back at 0 if I just held on to it. Yes, that is tick strikes. Didn't know you were in here. What's up, Leo? Hey, Standard. How's my degen family? Yeah, they're coming back to the 200. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm just going to cut it. Boy, that was laggy. That's what I get for chickening out. It's all right. Haha, Wookie. It's too crazy. Oh no, nope, that was a bad idea. It's like one of two things are going to happen here. It's either going to flip and start being a continuation of what they had started earlier, but it looks like we're going to continue selling. Aw, I miss you too. I came back to the group for a little bit, but I was just pretty quiet. Yeah, here we're getting follow through. Back to VWAP. Should have held on to that short. I need to wait for the next 5-minute candle. Oh, there it is. And Really? We can't come up here and retest 72? Rude. So rude. Watching for some follow through here. Took out the previous low at the VWAP. That's a red vector into the VWAP, so it either needs to like start sliding off here. We're now violet into the VWAP. They are working the ladder. Sitting at 63. Yeah, they just took me out. Probably to continue down, but that's okay. It's really like top of the ladder at the moment. Okay, see, we came back in and we cleaned up this gappy area with another wick. Ooh, that was a horrible fill. Horrible. That was flat out nasty, NASDAQ. Sometimes whenever I get these bad fills like this during Asia, I just want to like scream at the computer. Yeah, look at that, man. It was like, oh, you want to be in at the VWAP? No. I'm ready to scratch this damn trade. I hate this crap. Take me out, NASDAQ. Go for it. One of these days I'll learn how to limit fill instead of market. Ah, come on. That's a good sign. They're working the bottom of the ladder. Come on. Kind of dry though. But ding, my email going off. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Anybody else trading Asia? Coming back to yesterday's high. We have an imbalance down here. This is looking like I can take my short again here. Well, it's a fast way to get taken out. Violet vector on the 1. I really thought that this 5 minute just did not look like... I didn't think this was going to go. Yeah, I'm going to take the same entry again. What is 50% of that mood? Yeah, so much for that. Look at it take off. Yeah, actually... Oh, this table's got too much stuff in it. Double click here again. Table. I really don't want to see open interest or session CBD or POC. Yeah, the main ones I pay attention to is just the volume and delta. There you go. Hi, Victoria. I am just watching. Checking some text messages on my phone. Just kind of got sidetracked. See if we can break the 200. I'm curious to see if we can actually break yesterday's high. I mean, all right, this looks like third time's a charm. Trying to push through. Well, I just wanted to see if we can take out this 200. That's okay. We had a pretty good reaction here at the 45s last time as well, but I think this is just like a picking up orders thing. I think we're actually going to continue down. ES is getting bought into. Maybe it'll reach up and pick up these orders real quick. There's not a whole lot on the heat map that I'm seeing. Just coming back to the 50 on the 15 second, back to VWAP. Hey, Sander, are you seeing anything price-wise sticking out? Are you seeing everything sitting at 26,000? Why does it seem like they're stacking orders at 26,000? But even then, I think I'm only seeing like maybe 100 up there. 50 to 100, something like that. ES is getting picked up again. If anybody here is giggling in the back, let me know. I have to put music on just to cover up his giggling. You might as well start watching one of those try not to laugh videos, babe. There you go. I'm gonna push again. See if we can break this previous low. I'd like to see him break the 950s, but if we can just lose yesterday's high, I'll feel better. Just doesn't want to do it. Does not want to do it. Dum, dum, dum. Yup, there it goes. Picking up, picking up, picking up. think this 1 hour could work back into these wicks again. Oh, 15 seconds. Damn, we're coming into a new hour. Oh, how did I miss that? I think I need to start setting timers that like remind me of the time. Like, I think I need like a 10-minute warning every time a new hour is about to start. At least that way it's not as much of a surprise. Mm-hmm. Think we're going back to daily open or no? Do we have news tomorrow? Let me check and see if we have news tomorrow. What am I missing? Of course we have news tomorrow. We have, let's see, cash rates at 9:30. It's like an hour and a half. What do we have tomorrow? Jolt's job openings, if they give it to us. That is true. Sitting right on the 800 on the 15 on the 1 minute. No. That is the 15 seconds, sorry. 800, 200, 50. There is the 50. I'm about to have a vote on here to see if y'all can hear everybody laughing in the background. See what it does here. That was a pretty hard drop. Looks like we might start losing momentum here pretty quick. See if we can work it back into this wick. That's basically where we're at. If we can break this 939, 940 level, I'll be sitting pretty good actually. Not really seeing any 15-second vectors sitting here either. I think we're good with 600 here, huh? We good with 600? I don't know. I have a lot of imbalances here on the 1 minute. Just need to see if this is going to continue. We'll see. This is the first minute on. There's a 15-minute. Where is that lowest low? Right about there at 38. Come on. Ooh, Indeed.com, part-time library assistant. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Maybe I should just go start working at a library. I could trade in a library, right? See myself. The lady behind the counter. Your library lady. Got her glasses on. Staring at NASDAQ. Yeah, that's me. All right, this is taking too long. We are stalling. Come on, NASDAQ. This 5-minute candle needs to actually flip and drive below the 50. It's got to really pick up some momentum now, though. No, this is looking like it wants to come right back up to the this previous point that it was in. Stopping volume red vector on the 1. I've got 1 more minute to see how this 5-minute candle is going to end. I really don't want to see it holding wicks just here on both sides. I'd like to see it drive. But I don't know if it's actually going to do that. I think I can get 1 more push down. 28. No, there. I'm out. I don't want to sit in that forever. CVD is like really low. Yep, there it goes. Damn. That's where my exit should have been. That's okay. I don't want to stay up here the whole night chasing NASDAQ wins. Winning like a champ. Oh yeah, they're selling this off hard. Well, good. You know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to go to bed. Oh, I just got out too early. Oh, and I want to go long right here. Somebody tell me do not go long. Why would I want to go long here? Nice one, Leo. I forget what time is it there for you. For me, it's nighttime. Yeah, it's like past my bedtime, nighttime. I like my sleep. Something tells me that this gap up here is no bueno. We'll watch. Let's see if I can just get a little bit out of it. And we'll see if sellers step right back in again. That's what it looks like. Very likely. Yeah. Wait, you're in Dallas? I guess I didn't realize that. I'm in Houston, so we're only like 4 hours apart. It's too funny. Getting old, I don't remember all this stuff. Yeah, absolutely crazy. Why did it do that? Come on, Nazi, you got enough of that. If you're trying to get me to go break even, you know, it was one way to get me to go break even. I have to remember that I'm not trading New York session right now. Yeah, green vector as well. They didn't pick up a lot on this, but we have imbalances right here. Come on, baby, through the 50. Let's go. Nice, nice. Let's see. Okay, that's the end of the imbalance. I think I'm going to get out. Can we get a little bit more? Looks like it's trying. The 200's sitting like right here. 2 green vectors on the 15-second. Yeah. I don't like that. So, Leo, how much time do you spend in the gym? Are you one of those guys that's like there for 5 hours? Like you just go to work and then you go to the gym and then you like go to bed for an hour and then you go back to work and then back to the gym? And by work, I mean trading, because trading is life. Yeah, I'm good with that. Yeah, it's going to come back up. It's got all these imbalances to fill, but I'm going to stop for the night. Let's see. Kind of wanted just to dip my toes in. I didn't really trade today. I didn't get to trade on Monday. So kind of want to just give it a go on, go ahead and start my day for Tuesday. It's a nice bounce though. A couple of those isn't too bad. Yep, there's the full 5-minute violet vector recovery back to the 200. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna mark this because this is where I got long at. I'm gonna lock this in here. Just curious if I should have actually let this play out more. Yeah, I should have, but that's okay. It could have came down here. It could have taken out the previous lows. Yeah, it's fine. Still might. 1 to 2 hours after work at the gym. Then I work from 8 to 5 p.m. building custom closets. Then I trade when I can. Oh, so you're in the closet. Okay. I'm just kidding. Nice. Custom closet. That's an interesting job. Oh, you guys want to talk about leaving money on the table? Oh well. For Asia, I'm happy with this. I'm good with this for Asia. What do y'all think? Is 4 screens too many? 4 different of these? Because for me, obviously, I have a huge screen in front of me. I have it like full screen. So I see everything clear. But otherwise, I think it's probably just too small. Have to have it zoomed in or something. I believe you, Leo. I believe you. Yeah, I'm thinking I missed any continuation. This looks strong though. This does look strong. I think now if I start trying to trade this, I'm probably gonna end up chasing. I'd rather not be chasing. Ooh, 2 new subscribers while streaming tonight. Welcome to the chat. I know I had two good trades, Victoria, but I had like a lot of little losses, so but I feel good about it. Like everything that I lost I made back and then some. So I'm kind of like maybe just stop for the night. I think that is what I'm going to do. Otherwise I'm going to end up chasing shorts and yeah. Okay. Y'all have a good night. I'm going to hop off here and I will be live tomorrow. I know most of y'all, like it seems like you guys prefer me to be live at night. Do most of my trading in New York, but I can't do London though for some reason. I might get on for London and then just kind of see what it gives. That's just you guys would like end up hearing my man snoring in the background or something, so I'm not gonna do that. We don't want to hear that. Yeah, I'll just wait. I'll do sometime during New York tomorrow. I probably won't do New York Open. Not that I can't. Just seems like there's a lot of other people also doing New York Open, so I'm trying to find other times that I can trade that actually has some volume and liquidity. I don't know. We'll see. See if I can come up with a standard schedule for trading this. But glad you made some money, Leo. Hopefully somebody else out there did too. Somebody who wasn't taking as tight as stops as I was. It's okay. Have a good night.